Hi, it's Leslie from The Gathering. I wanted to take a minute and show you actually how to get here. There's a chance you got one of these cards. I hope you did. And if you did and you want to come join us, I want you to be able to get here, and it's kind of a little tricky, so we're going to show you the way. First, you come into the parking lot on the east side of the First United Methodist Church, which is 330 North Broadway. You'll see the big sign as you come in. Somebody will let you in the door. You don't have to have a magic key. And then right here, in case this little sign isn't enough for you, we have a big bright sign. So you just have to get on the elevator. You push the up arrow, because it's going to be on the second floor. You come in here, and it says, The Gathering.
It's only one floor right on the elevator. It's mostly what you should have.
It's just one floor, and then you're here. This is the gathering space. So, you get a card, you come to the First United Methodist Church, east side, parking lot, big sign, doors, little sign, glowy sign, elevator, D2, and then you're here. We'd love for you to be here this coming Sunday as we continue the revelation of Jesus the Christ. We're going to have special guest Pastor Rebecca Goltry-Moore in worship with us as we talk about ways in which we can be involved in the church community at large, how we might be able to have a meaningful impact on the life of the church, not just in this small room, but in the big space, the big church, and the conference at large. We'd love to have you here. If you need a ride, we will send a van to come get you, of course, or if you need to experience it virtually, we do that through Facebook Live. You can also find us on all the normal social media outlets. We'll see you Sunday.